Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination,
We'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
bringing all their friends together.
Find out how things
Work with Darwin and you.
Oh, where? Look at the size of that. Oh.
Kia,
Newts, you have to check out this snail. It's massive. Boo! Whoa! Whoa! Look out! Whoa!
ah, there's my magnet.
Henny! Kia ora!
Hello. Kia ora. I was just chasing down a certain magnet thief named Kia. Come here, you. You think it's all a game, don't you?
Mate!
Can I see your magnet, Henny? Sure, Newts.
Oh, wow!
It really sticks to things. Well, some things. You're right. It picks up one end of my screwdriver, but not the other. And it picks up my bolt, but not my string.
Magnets only stick to metal things, Newts.
Oh.
Like my binoculars. My binoculars! Oh, you guys have to see this! Phew, it's still there. Look. Wow.
That snail looks as big as Burpee. Can I have a look, please? It's massive.
That's what I said. I know it's a snail because it has a spiral shell, antennae, and slimy trail. But I've never seen one this size.
Sounds like you've found yourself a special snail. A pupurangi.
Wapiti! What's a pupurangi, Wapiti?
Well, pupurangi are giant land snails, much bigger than other snails. Their shell is the same size as a big cookie.
Wow!
Little pupurangi hatch from eggs. When they are young, they live up in the trees.
Oh, so sweet.
But when they grow up, they come down onto the forest floor. You're very lucky to find a pupurangi, and even luckier if you can see one up close. There are very few in the world.
Kia ora, Wapiti! Let's go see that pupurangi up close.
Great idea. Sounds good.
Wait! Only 2 people can go on this. But there are 1, 2, 3, tahi, rua, toru, 3 of us.
Well, I'm the biggest. So why don't you two go on ahead?
Okay, then we'll send the flying fox back for you. That was fun! Come on, let's go! Mine?
Not yours.
Mine! Oh, wow! him, sis!
Ooh.
Look! The Pupurangi snail is right there! Come on, let's go! Where's Henny?
Here she comes!
Woohoo!
Yeah! Whoa!
What happened, Henny?
I don't know. I do. Look!
Huh?
The pulley! It's jammed! You'll need a screwdriver to fix it. Here, Cat! Kia! Come back! There she is! Kia, give Henny the screwdriver! Please! That's it, Kia. Kia!
Good, Kia.
Kia, come on. It's not yours.
Not mine.
There it is. Please don't touch that. Kia, don't. No. I can see it. But I can't reach it.
Let me give it a try. Nope. Oh, me neither.
Oh no! How are we going to reach that screwdriver?
I know. Let's science this. The screwdriver fell into a crack in the rock. It's too far down to reach with your arm or mine. We need something we can fit down the crack and grab the screwdriver. What can we use? Wait! Oh, that's it! Henny! Throw down your magnet!
Here you go.
I see it! According to my calculations, the magnet will fit in the crack.
And the screwdriver will stick because the magnet attracts metal.
But how do we get it down the crack and back up again?
I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, the magnetic screwdriver downer and upper.
Let's do this!
Here it goes. Got it!
Yes!
I'll throw the screwdriver up to you, Henny. Okay.
I've got you.
Thanks. I know what to do. Darwin, make that bird look away.
Kia, look! Shiny!
Aha! No, not yours. Mine! Got it! It worked! Here I come! Me! Awesome! Now, where's this huge snail?
It's just up here! Wow!
Pupurangi! Oh, look! It's got eggs! How sweet! It's a mum!
Hurry, everyone! Get together!
Hurry! Darwin, it's a snail!
Oh, right. Cheese!